Changing long-standing addictive behaviors can feel like scaling a mountain. A helpful roadmap called the Stages of Change is here to guide you. Pre-contemplation. At this stage, many people aren't even aware there's a problem. They're resistant to change and often point fingers at others. Contemplation. People may feel unsure of their next step. Preparation. Individuals are open to change, gathering information, exploring options, and taking baby steps toward a new direction. Action. Now comes making a brave choice that unlocks the path to a balanced life. This stage demands the most time and energy, but also brings visible changes. Supportive relationships and healthier activities become crucial here. After sustained maintenance, you reach a new normal, and you're living a healthier, happier life. It's crucial to remember that relapses are often part of the journey. See them as temporary setbacks and an opportunity to learn. The Stages of Change model is a testament to human resilience and adaptability. No matter where you find yourself on this journey, know that each step is a step to a better, healthier you. So let's embrace the journey as we strive for lasting change together. Learn more at smartrecovery.org.